The 2026 BMW S1000RR is here, and it's nothing short of a rocket on two wheels. This superbike doesn't just ride fast, it is fast, born from decades of German engineering focused on one thing: dominating the street and the track. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the S1000RR tells you exactly what it was built to do. The aggressive front fascia, laser-sharp fairings, and aerodynamic winglets scream performance. BMW has taken everything they've learned from racing and poured it into this machine, and it shows in every bolt and carbon fiber panel. The heart of the 2026 S1000RR is a refined 999cc inline-4 engine that now produces an astonishing 213 horsepower. That's not just a number on paper, it translates into raw, unfiltered speed. Twist the throttle, and it launches like a missile. 0 to 60 disappears in under 3 seconds, and the top speed. Let's just say most riders will run out of courage before the bike runs out of power. But it's not just about straight-line speed. This bike has razor-sharp handling, with a chassis that feels surgically precise. Whether you're leaning into a corner at the track or carving up canyon roads, the 2026 RR stays glued to the asphalt with a confidence that makes it feel almost supernatural. What makes this new model stand out is BMW's integration of advanced electronics that don't just assist the rider, they elevate them. The dynamic traction control, slide control, wheelie control, and launch control are all adjustable and fine-tuned to adapt to your riding style. Whether you're a seasoned track veteran or a spirited weekend rider, the system learns with you, and that means every ride feels more connected. The 6.5-inch TFT display is crystal clear even in sunlight, and the new interface is intuitive and responsive, showing you everything from lean angle data to lap times and tire pressures in real time. BMW didn't stop at performance, they nailed the design too. The 2026 model introduces subtle but meaningful changes. The LED headlight now integrates daytime running light patterns that shift based on riding mode. The side fairings have been re-sculpted to channel airflow more efficiently while also exposing more of that raw mechanical aggression riders love. And for those who want to push things further, BMW offers the M package: carbon fiber wheels, a lightweight battery, and an exclusive paint scheme that makes the RR look like it just rolled out of a MotoGP garage. Braking is handled by a high-performance Brembo system that bites hard with zero fade. And with the lighter chassis and revised suspension setup, the stopping power feels even more responsive. Every touch point on the bike, clutch, throttle, shifter, feels tight, deliberate, and premium. This isn't just a machine, it's an extension of your will. Riders will especially appreciate the improved ergonomics. BMW has subtly revised the seat, tank, and rear sets for a more aggressive yet comfortable riding position. You can go hard on the track all day or cruise through a weekend ride without feeling like you've wrestled a bear. Another area where the 2026 RR shines is sound. The revised exhaust system now produces a deeper, angrier tone that doesn't just sound good, it resonates in your chest. It's raw, mechanical music. Downshifts crackle and pop with a ferocity that turns heads, and at full throttle, the roar is enough to make your heart race before you even hit third gear. This superbike is not just about specs and looks, it's about emotion. It's about that feeling when the engine growls to life, the adrenaline rush as you open it up, the way everything else fades as you focus on the road ahead. The 2026 S1000RR is a visceral experience. It's engineered perfection blended with soul. BMW didn't just update the RR, they reimagined what a superbike could be in 2026. It's faster, smarter, sharper, and meaner. Every ride is a statement. Whether you're chasing lap records or simply chasing the horizon, the S1000RR delivers the kind of performance that few bikes on the planet can match. It's not just a bike, it's a weapon. A rocket on two wheels. And once you ride it, there's no going back.